Today, my daughter's in charge. Okay, princess, do you want to pick dinner?
Yes.
Okay, should we go to the freezer?
Yes.
Let's go.
Mama, say hi to the camera.
Ooh, here we are. So what's the pick?
Lobster.
Lobster it is. Big old 𝗪𝗲𝗄𝗧 lobster tails. Spoiled kid, great taste. Woo! How's that look, kid?
Good, and it also smells good.
You wanna come help me, princess? How do they look?
Double thumbs up.
Oh yeah. Let's see what it tastes like, okay? Do you like to be on camera?
Yes. How did you notice?
I can tell.
I love my daddy also.
I love you too, princess. A moment of truth.
Taste test. This piece.
That one? That's kind of a big one. Should we share this one? Cut it in half and
No,
we'll see.
thank you.
You don't want to share with me?
No.
Do we do a cheers?
Yeah.
Cheers.
It's yummy.
It's yummy? Is it official?
Yes.
It's official?
Yeah.
Like a ref with a whistle.